Nose went offline.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be reacting to Alex getting his Wooting keyboard. No fucking way, guys. Holy shit. No fucking way. It is me, White Cat. He's getting his Wooting keyboard. Oh my god, no fucking way. Did you just drop your phone, bro?
He was so excited.
Oh my god, he's shaking.
Where's Mr. Wooting?
Where is the Mr. Wooting guy?
This guy's definitely gonna dupe me and take my wood.
Oh my god, Haya is White Cat real.
Yeah, you didn't know this?
I did not know he was White Cat. Yo, congrats on being White Cat. I'm a
Yeah,
huge fan.
thanks. I'm
Yo,
White Cat.
Alexis, if this guy doesn't deliver my looting, I'm actually gonna cry.
I will
He's
kill
gonna
myself.
himself. Yeah, I
Me
would not
too.
take that, bro.
Wait. No, please don't get that.
Clee.
I think he's coming. No.
You need the Clee buff, bro.
No way. Are you fucking serious?
Is it
He
not the
actually got
Wooting?
away.
Maybe he's gonna drive up to. Maybe he's gonna drive up further.
Maybe it's like a big deal for him. He wants to like make it special.
No fucking way. If this isn't the Wooting, I'm gonna cry. Is he
I'm gonna
coming?
laugh if it's not the
No.
Wooting.
No. Uh-oh.
I'm gonna cry for you.
No, it's not the Wooting!
No way.
No! Come back for part 2, guys. Come back for part 2.